I like to use both pecans and almonds for this recipe. Chop the nuts into fine pieces or bigger chunks, whatever you like. Now this is dairy-free cream cheese, but you can use dairy cream cheese as well. Go for it. I'm really not sure if you can see this cream cheese. This is cracking me up because you never know when you film it on your own if you're doing it right or not. I really like to laugh even if I'm the only one. So I use real maple syrup and add as much or as little as you like. I happen to like it sweet, so I like to go to town with this. All that's left to do is just to stir this really well and enjoy it. I used to wait in line at the bagel shop forever just to get something similar like this for breakfast, but I just like to make it myself. I don't like to wait in line. Make it yourself and have it done so you can bring it with you for breakfast. Like, subscribe, and share. Give it one last zhuzh with a spoon and you're almost ready to go. Now, I didn't have bagels, but I did have bread. And you know what? It's a blessing and I'm thankful. You need some eggs to go with this breakfast too, so check out the link below for that recipe. This is one of my absolute favorite breakfasts, and I know you'll enjoy it too. Hit that subscribe bell, and I'll see you again soon.